Hello everyone, welcome back to Ram's tutorial. Today guys, we're going to discuss about subtracting 3-digit of numbers with regrouping. So now I'm going to give you the different techniques on how to subtract with 3-digit numbers. Okay, so I will show you guys some techniques on how to answer the following questions. Okay, let us see first our problem. So we're going to read first the directions because our topic today is subtracting numbers with regrouping. So our objectives class is that we're going to identify the numbers, whether it is ones, tens, and hundreds. We're going to regroup it. Okay, so that's our objective today. We need to regroup the numbers so that we can solve it properly and we can answer that correctly. Now, please watch guys for our new video tutorial today to RamzTutorial educational channel. Now we're going to read the direction, find the difference, and we are going to regroup if necessary. So for example, problem number 1. Problem number 1, we have 372 minus 216. This will be our problem. In our problem class, we're going to solve and we're going to regroup these numbers before we can subtract it, starting from ones, tens, and hundreds. Now, we are going to start with ones. And what are the numbers under ones? We have 2 and 6. How we're going to do that? Remember that our minuend, remember class, our minuend is smaller than our subtrahend. I am right, my dear viewers? Okay. Now, in order to subtract, minuend will borrow to the next number, which is in tens place value. Now 2 becomes 12 because we add ones, and 7 automatically guys we need to change it, okay, so that we can forget it, that the number 7 is already in 6. Now we are going to add or subtract rather 12 minus 6, so it's okay guys, okay, it's whole number. So we're going to start here, we're going to write the answer 6. Okay, please follow guys. Next, 6 minus 1. It can, right? Because 6 is greater than the subtrahend, which is 1. So our answer here, 5. Next, 2 hundreds place, which is 3 and 2. Now we're going to subtract 3 minus 2. The answer is 1. Now, our difference is 156. We are going to check it guys whether our answer is correct. By how? Okay, we are going to write the subtrahend and the difference. We are going to write here class. So we're going to write to check. Okay, 216 here, 216 plus 156, which is our difference, 156. Now we are going to add ones place first, which is 6 and 6. 6 plus 6. We're going to regroup guys because 6 plus 6 is 12. Regroup 1 here above the next number. 1 plus 1 plus 5. We're going to write here 7. Next, 2 plus 1, we have 3, which is same for our minuend and same for our sum. In part of addition guys, this answer is what we call the sum. We have here the addends and the given numbers. Okay, that's our how we're going to answer number 1 problem, 372 minus 260. Okay, please watch first guys, and you have to check every logical numbers whether our answer is correct or whether our answer is incorrect. Next, we're going to proceed to number 2. Okay, for our number 2, we have 945 minus 817. Now remember our ones, we have 5 and 7. Since 5 is smaller than 7, to our subtrahend, so 5 borrowed from 4, 4 becomes 3, 5 becomes 15. Now let's subtract 15 minus 7. Okay? So how many? We're going to less 7 to 15. So we're going to write here, guys, 8. Because when we check it, 8 and 7, the result is 15. That is a simple techniques on how to subtract regrouping, or how to regroup the numbers easily. By following the steps, you need to start first from ones place, tens, and the last is hundreds place value. Now let's continue, guys. So 3 minus 1, so it can be, so we're going to write here 2. Next, 9 minus 8. Since 9 is greater than 8, so we're going to write here 1. So our difference rather is 128 and our subtract is 117. We are going to check it by using addition method. So we're going to check it here, guys, for number 2. So we have 817 plus 128, guys. Please follow here. 7 plus 8, the answer is 15. So we bring down 5. Regroup 1 to the next number being added. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, the answer is 4. Next is 8 plus 1 is 9, which is the minuend, and of course the sum is automatically correct. Okay, these are what you call steps on how to subtract regrouping of numbers with 3 digits. Okay? Okay, please watch it, and of course, I will give you a time to copy. Okay, we're going to proceed to number 3. Okay, we're going to proceed to number 3, guys. So I'm going to erase this one. Okay, so let's proceed to number 3 problem. Okay, so I'm going to erase this one, guys. So we're going to proceed to number 2, right? So I'm going to use alcohol, guys. Okay, so it's easy for me to erase this one. I forgot my eraser. Oh. See, guys, it's easy. We're going to use an alcohol, so it's totally white with a tissue paper, something like that. So it's not hard for me to erase that. Okay, so I'm going to proceed to number 3. Okay, for number 3 we have our problem. 182 minus 146. For number 4, we have 488 minus 119. You can copy also, my dear viewers. You can follow me. Okay, if you want to. For number 5, this is for the third quarter. This is for the third quarter lesson. Number 5, we have 772. This is for the lower grade, my dear viewers. 5, 4, 6. Okay, let's start first with number 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we're going to start for number 3. Since 2 is smaller than the subtrahend, 2 will borrow to 8. 8 becomes 7. So 2 becomes 12. Let's start subtracting 12 to 6. We have here. Next, 7 minus 4. We're going to write here 3. Then 1 minus 1, guys. We're going to write x because that is 0. Now, we're going to check it. 146 plus 36. So we're going to write here 12. Regroup 1. 5, 6, 7, we have 8, bring down 1. That is, our answer is correct. Now let us proceed to number 4. 8 minus 9 cannot be, so 8 becomes 18, 8 becomes 7. Again, 8 cannot be just because 8 is smaller than 9, so 8 will borrow to the tens place value, so 8 becomes 18. Now let us subtract 18 minus 9, so we're going to write here 9. So always start with ones place value, my dear viewers. So right after that ones, you can proceed to tens and hundreds. Now 7 minus 1, so it's okay because 7 is greater than subtrahend which is 1. So we're going to write here 6. Then 4 minus 1, the answer is 3. So let us check if our answer is correct. So remember our subtrahend and of course the minuend. Minuend to difference. So let's write first 119 or 119 plus 369. So start adding, guys. So this is 18. Remove 1. We have 8. So we have 4. Okay, our answer is correct. Just like that, guys. When you want to check it. Okay, for a while. Okay, now we're going to continue for our number 5. We do have a fun here, but it's so hot. Next, we have 772, our equations, minus 546. So let's start with 2. 2 minus 6, so remember guys, 2 will becomes 12. 7 becomes 6. 12 minus 6, guys, so it should be in column. Remember that when answering, guys. Next, 6 minus 4, we're going to write here 2. Then 7 minus 5. So we have here our difference is 226. Now, we are going to check whether our answer is correct. Next, we are going to write the subtrahend and the difference. Hello, Mikmi, my favorite cat. Okay, I'm going to write here, guys. 546 plus 226. Please follow, my dear viewers. We're going to add this one. First from 1, so regroup it because that is 12. 1 plus 4 plus 2, so we're going to write here 7. Next, 5 plus 2, guys, is 7. This is actually our answer is correct. Why? Because our sum is 772, then our minuend is 772, my dear viewers. That is from 1 to 5. Okay? Now we are going to continue to number 6 to 8. So I'm going to here use an alcohol. Remember, my dear viewers, why teacher I use an alcohol? It's easy for me to erase. Okay? So it's not hard. So easy lang, guys. Once I erase it. Just like that. Okay. Actually, guys, the front here is very smooth. But it's hard for me to erase that one. It's like Chinese characters. It's hard for me to do that. So that's why I use it on the back side. But I'm thankful to Ate Ana, guys. Because this will be from Ate Ana. True Family. I am thankful to True Family, guys, for giving this gift. And of course, they're what you call that, and they support from me, and I am very much thankful to them. Okay. Next we have number 6. Okay, let's write first Here, please follow my dear viewers. Number 6, you can get also your what we call an extra sheet of paper or even the whiteboard. Our equation is 636 minus 167. Next, number 7, we have 661 minus 336. Nick, what's that? For number 8, we have 486 minus 322. Okay, so same procedure, guys. Okay, for you to know if whether your answer is correct or incorrect, so you are going to undergo to check, or you are going to check out using subtrahend and the difference, because the subtrahend and the difference, the result is sum. It should be same for the MUM. Is that clear, my dear viewers? Okay, let us continue. 6 minus 7 cannot be, guys. So 6 becomes 16, borrowed from 3. 3 becomes 2. 16 minus 7, guys. So we're going to write here. We have, okay, remember 6 becomes 16, guys. Okay. So we're going to write here the answer here. It should be proper column. Next, 2 minus 6 cannot be, guys. So 2 borrowed from 6. 6 becomes 5. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6, we're going to write here. And then 5 minus 1, guys, we're going to write here our difference 469. Same procedure, guys. You write here the subtrahend 167 plus 469. Now, 9 plus 7, so we have 16, regroup 1. So 1 plus 6 plus 6, so we have 13, regroup 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1, we have 6. So actually, guys, our answer is correct. Next, let us proceed to number 7. 1 minus 6 cannot be, guys. So borrowed from tens place value, 6 becomes 5. 1 becomes 11. Now, we're going to subtract 11 minus 6. Okay, we're going to write our answer here, guys. 5. 5 minus 3, it can't be. So we're going to write our answer here, 2. 6 minus 3, our difference is 325. Same procedure, guys. Write the subtrahend here. 336 plus 325. You add this one, guys. 6 and 5. Regroup. So 1 plus 3 plus 2. So we have here 6. Then 3 plus 3, guys. So we have 661, guys. This will be correct. For number 8. 486 minus 322. So now 6 is bigger than 2, so we can subtract it. So we're going to write here 4. 8 minus 2. Okay. We can also what you call solve it, because even though this is not a regrouping, but direction says find the difference and regroup it if it is necessary. But since number 8, guys, equation number 8, we can say that there is no regrouping process. Why? Because the MUM is greater than the subtrahend. So it's easy for you to subtract it. Continue subtracting as normal, so without regrouping it. So let's start with 8 minus 2, we have 6. 4 minus 3, we have 1. So same procedure, guys. So you need to write our subtrahend to check it. 322 plus 164, guys. Okay, we have to write 6, 8, and 4. Okay, it's clear, my dear viewers, that our answer from 6 to 8 is correct. Now, we're going to proceed, guys, for number 9 and 10. So, space for you, we're going to spray it to space, so it's easy for me to... I forget my whiteboard eraser, guys. So, it's okay. This is not a problem. For me, it's easy to use a tissue paper and then an alcohol base, because an alcohol is Also protection for, remember today that we are facing a problem about COVID-19. People are suffering from that kind of viruses. So we need to protect ourselves and we need to stay at home if it is necessary and we don't want to go out if it is not necessary. Remember. So we are going to proceed to number 9 and 10. Remember, my dear viewers. Okay, we have number 9. Our equations, we have 325 minus 253. The last equations, my dear viewers, I have the space here because we need to check it. 400 minus 260. Now, this will be our last and final equations in solving 3-digit of numbers with regrouping, my dear viewers. Let's start with number 9. Since 5 is greater than 3, remember 5 is the main unit and 3 is the subtrahend. We're going to proceed here. 2. Since 2 and the test place value is lower or smaller in value with regards to our subtrahend, so it needs to borrow. 3 becomes 2. Then 12 minus 5, so we're going to write here guys here. The answer is 7. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So we need to put an X. So let us check it. 253 plus 72 our difference here guys. Let us add 5. But carefully guys, you need to proper column. So he next here 5 and 7, so we need to write 12, regroup it. That's exactly our answer is correct. Now we are going to proceed to number 10. Bring down 2 zeros here. 0 and 6, so cannot be guys, so remember, so 0 borrowed from hundreds place value. So 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. Now we are going to subtract 10 minus 6 and we're going to write here guys 4. Next 3 minus 2, we have our difference here 140. We're going to check, my dear viewers. 260 plus 140. I'm going to add 0. 6 plus 4, that's 10. Regroup it. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our answer is correct, my dear viewers. Hope you really understand our topic today about how to identify or solve the questions regarding the 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Again, if you have any questions guys regarding our topic, you're free to comment, like, share, and subscribe to RamzTutorial educational channel. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!